Imagine affiliate marketing as a thriving garden. You, the gardener, are about to embark on a journey to sow seeds of opportunity that will blossom into a bountiful harvest. Each step in the process is akin to nurturing a plant from seed to full bloom. The garden represents the ecosystem of your affiliate marketing efforts, where every plant, or campaign, requires attention and care to flourish. As you stand at the edge of this garden, envision the potential that lies within each seed. These seeds symbolize the affiliate programs and products you will promote. Just as a gardener must understand the climate and soil, you must grasp the affiliate marketing landscape to ensure your seeds take root. This foundational knowledge is essential to cultivate a successful program. Your journey begins with understanding the terrain. The digital world is vast, with numerous niches and opportunities. Identifying where you want to plant your seeds is crucial. This decision will influence your entire strategy, much like how a gardener chooses the right spot for a plant based on sunlight and soil conditions. Take your time and research thoroughly. Your future success depends on it. With seeds in hand, you're ready to plant. But remember, planting is just the beginning. The real work lies ahead in nurturing these seeds to life, requiring perseverance and dedication. Each step you take will bring you closer to a flourishing garden of affiliate marketing success. Selecting the right seeds is pivotal. In affiliate marketing, these seeds are your niche. Choose products that resonate with your interests. Picture yourself in a seed shop, surrounded by countless packets. Select those that match your expertise. Your niche should be something you are passionate about. This passion fuels your marketing strategies. Research market trends and consumer needs. Ensure there is demand for your niche. A well-chosen niche sets the stage for success. With your seeds selected, it's time to prepare the soil, your digital platform. This is where your affiliate marketing efforts will take root and grow. Think of this platform as the fertile ground necessary for your seeds to thrive. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence, your platform must be well prepared and nurtured to support growth. Building a platform is like enriching the soil with nutrients. You must ensure it is optimized and ready for planting. This involves setting up a user-friendly interface, crafting engaging visuals, and ensuring easy navigation. Just as plants need rich soil, your audience needs a seamless experience to stay engaged and return for more. Content is the fertilizer that enriches this soil. Your platform should be filled with valuable, informative, and engaging content that speaks to your chosen niche. This content is what will attract and retain your audience, much like how a well-tended garden attracts bees and butterflies. Regular updates and fresh insights will keep your soil fertile and your audience engaged. Remember, the foundation you lay here will support all future growth. A strong, well-prepared platform can withstand the challenges of the digital landscape. Much like rich soil supports plant life through harsh weather. Invest time and effort into this stage, and your seeds will have the best chance to flourish. Creating valuable content is akin to nurturing your plants as they start to grow. This content is the sunlight and water that your affiliate marketing efforts need to thrive. It's not just about producing content, it's about producing the right kind of content that resonates with your audience and promotes your chosen products effectively. Imagine each piece of content as a nutrient-rich feed for your growing plants. It should be informative, engaging, and tailored to meet the needs and interests of your audience. This is where your passion for your niche will shine, as genuine enthusiasm is contagious and can significantly enhance the impact of your content. Consistency is key. Just as plants require regular watering and sunlight, your audience expects consistent content. Establish a schedule and stick to it, ensuring that your audience knows when to expect new content. This consistency builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more, much like a gardener who tends to their plants daily. Finally, be open to feedback. Just as a gardener observes plant growth and adjusts care accordingly, you should listen to your audience and tailor your content to better meet their needs. This adaptability will help your affiliate marketing efforts grow stronger and more resilient, leading to a more bountiful harvest. Section 5. Watering consistently, driving traffic. Driving traffic to your platform is like consistently watering your garden. Without traffic, your affiliate marketing efforts cannot grow. You need a steady stream of visitors who can engage with your content and, ultimately, your affiliate links. This traffic is the lifeblood of your garden, ensuring that your seeds have the resources they need to thrive. There are numerous ways to drive traffic, from search engine optimization or SEO to social media marketing and paid advertising. Each method is like a different type of watering can, each with its own advantages and challenges. You must choose the right tools for your garden, experimenting and adjusting to find what works best for your niche and audience. Engagement is a crucial component of driving traffic. Encourage your audience to interact with your content, whether through comments, shares, or likes. This engagement not only boosts your visibility but also helps you build a community around your platform. A thriving community is like a well-watered garden, full of life and potential. Remember, consistency is paramount. Regularly update your strategies and content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. This perseverance will ensure a steady flow of traffic, much like a gardener who waters their plants regularly ensures they remain healthy and vibrant. Section 6. Pruning for success. Tracking and analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing performance is like pruning your garden to remove dead leaves and branches. This process ensures that your affiliate marketing efforts remain healthy and focused on growth. By understanding what works and what doesn't, you can refine your strategies and maximize your success. Analytics tools are your pruning shears. They provide insights into your platform's performance, helping you identify which content is resonating with your audience and which is not. This data is invaluable, allowing you to make informed decisions and adjustments to your marketing strategies, much like how a gardener prunes plants to encourage new growth. Regularly review your analytics to understand trends and patterns. Look for opportunities to optimize your content and strategies, ensuring they align with your audience's needs and preferences. This proactive approach will help you stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge, much like a gardener who regularly checks the health of their plants. Remember, pruning is not a one-time task. It requires ongoing effort and attention to ensure your affiliate marketing garden remains healthy and productive. Embrace this process as an opportunity to learn and grow, both personally and professionally, and your efforts will be rewarded with a more fruitful harvest. Section 7. Harvesting the fruits, monetizing your efforts. The moment you've been waiting for has arrived, harvesting the fruits of your labor. Monetizing your efforts is the culmination of your hard work, much like a gardener who finally reaps the rewards of a well-tended garden. This stage involves turning your audience's engagement into revenue through affiliate sales and partnerships. To successfully harvest, you must have a clear strategy in place. This includes understanding your audience's purchasing behavior and aligning your promotions to meet their needs. It's like knowing when to pick ripe fruit. Timing is crucial to maximize your returns and ensure your efforts yield the best results. Diversification is key to a successful harvest. Explore different monetization avenues such as sponsored content, collaborations, and exclusive offers. This variety not only increases your revenue streams but also enhances the value you provide to your audience, much like a garden with a diverse array of plants. Finally, celebrate your success. Recognize the hard work and dedication that brought you to this point, and use this achievement as motivation to continue growing your affiliate marketing garden. This sense of accomplishment is the sweetest fruit of all, inspiring you to persevere even through challenges. Section 8. Weathering the storms, overcoming challenges. Every gardener knows that storms are inevitable. In affiliate marketing, challenges will arise, testing your resilience and determination. These challenges are like storms that threaten to uproot your garden, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can weather them and emerge stronger than before. Common challenges include changes in market trends, algorithm updates, and increased competition. Each challenge is an opportunity to learn and adapt. Just as a gardener fortifies their plants against storms, you must equip yourself with knowledge and flexibility to navigate these obstacles. Persistence is your greatest ally. Stay committed to your goals and remain adaptable in the face of adversity. This resilience will help you maintain momentum and continue growing your affiliate marketing efforts, much like a gardener who rebuilds after a storm. Remember, every storm eventually passes. With each challenge you overcome, you gain valuable experience and insights that strengthen your affiliate marketing garden. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and transformation, and you will emerge more resilient and successful. Section 9. Reaping the rewards, encouragement and call to action. As you stand in your flourishing affiliate marketing garden, take a moment to appreciate the journey. Each step, from planting to harvesting, has brought you closer to your goals. This is the time to reflect on your achievements and the growth you've experienced along the way. Your affiliate marketing garden is a testament to your hard work and perseverance. It serves as a reminder that success is possible with dedication and effort. Use this inspiration to continue nurturing your garden, exploring new opportunities, and reaching new heights in your affiliate marketing journey. Now is the time to take action. If you haven't already, start planting the seeds of your affiliate marketing garden today. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration, hit the alert bell to stay updated, and like the video to support our community. Join us on this journey and watch your affiliate marketing efforts bloom. Remember, you have the power to create a thriving affiliate marketing garden. Embrace the process, learn from each step, and enjoy the rewards that come from your hard work. Together, we can cultivate success and achieve our dreams in the world of affiliate marketing.